Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 without Anaconda. So we will install the Jupyter Notebook without Anaconda and by using the pip. Okay, so I'll explain in simple steps, 4 simple steps to install the Jupyter Notebook via pip. So by using pip. Okay, the first step is to verify the Python and pip installation. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so verify first. Just open the command prompt and just type Python space double hyphen version. Run this command. Yes, Python is already installed in my system and the current version is the 3.14.5. Okay, so now we will check the pip version. Pip is installed or not. Pip, how we can check it? Just say pip space double hyphen version. Click on enter. So pip 26.1.1 is installed in my system. So we have the Python and we have the pip installed in my system. Now this is first step. So we are verifying the Python pip installation is done or not. Yes. In second step, we need to install the Jupyter Notebook via pip here. Okay, so where exactly we get the Jupyter Notebook here? Just open any browser. In this case, I have opened the Chrome browser. Just in a search, just type Jupyter Notebook. Okay, click on this one. So it has opened the link. It provides link as Project Jupyter Home. Just click on this link. So it has opened the jupyter.org. Okay, here we have a menu item that is a install. Just click on this item on this one, install. Here we are installing the Jupyter notebook. Just scroll down here. It says install the classical Jupyter notebook by using these two commands. That is the pip install notebook and then how to we can run the notebook is the Jupyter notebook. So these two commands we are going to run. Okay. So we are installing the Jupyter notebook without using the Anaconda here. Okay. So go back here. Okay. Here I want to install the Jupyter notebook. So for that one, what we need to do is, so wherever we have installed our Python, okay, Python, and we in Python we have the scripts folder here. So just go to the path. Okay, in my case, I have C drive. Okay, in C drive, click on users and select the user. In my case, I have this user here and just go in the particular user, scroll down and select the app data. Click on app data and then click on roaming folder. In roaming folder, scroll down and check for the Python. Click on Python and the current version which I am using it is the Python 3.14. This is the Python which I am using here. Click on here. Okay, in your case, check which version of Python you are using and where the Python is installed here. In my case, it is installed in this location here. And the scripts. Why scripts? Scripts we have in the scripts folder only. We have the py pip.exe is installed here. Okay, so select this path and select this one and just type command for cmd and click on enter. So it has opened the command prompt for this particular path here. Okay. Now before installing the Jupyter Notepad, I want to verify is Jupyter installed in my system or not. How we can able to verify that one? Just use a command Jupyter space double hyphen version. Okay. As Jupyter Notebook is not installed in the system, it will throw a message here. So we see whatever message it will throw. Okay. So it says Jupyter is not recognized as an internal and external command here. Okay. So Jupyter is not installed in current system, so it has provided this particular message here. Okay. After installing the Jupyter, we once again we run this command and then we see what type of message to display here. Okay. Now the installation part here. So go back to our Jupyter.org install. Here it says to install the Jupyter notebook, we have to run the command called pip space install space notebook. Okay, this command we need to run. So go over command prompt here. Okay, and I'm running this command where my Python scripts folder is installed. Okay, okay. So how I went C users. So once again I'll navigate here. Okay, so I went like this C users and select the username here and just go app data. Okay, roaming. Under roaming we have the Python. Select the Python and which version of Python we have installed here. You can see here Python 3.11 and 3.14. So I have installed the 3.14 here, which I have currently using it here. Just select this one. Okay, we have multiple Python versions. Okay, which I am using is the Python 3.14 here. So we have the scripts here. Just select here. Okay, and in the path, just select this one. Say type as command prompt and click on enter. Okay, we got it here. Now I want to install the Jupyter notebook. So for that one, we are using command called pip install. Okay, what we are installing? It is the Jupyter here. Okay, so here it says we have to use the notebook here. Just go back here and just type notebook. Done. So click on enter. Okay, it takes few seconds to install the Jupyter notebook. See, it has checked all the requirement. If the requirement is satisfied with the requirement, it start installing here. So maximize here. It says this is the installing all the required. Okay, it says successfully installed IPK kernel. Okay, all these guys installed. Jupyter client, Jupyter code, Jupyter lab, everything note. Okay, all this it has installed here. Okay, now once again we go back to our this one. See, previously when I run this command to verify the Jupyter installed or not, this is a Jupyter space double hyphen version. So once again I run this command here. See, so previously when the Jupyter is not installed, it has thrown a message saying that Jupyter is not a recognized as an internal and external command. Once the Jupyter is installed, when I run this command, Jupyter space double hyphen version, it has provided all the code packages with the name and the version here. Okay, means the Jupyter is installed successfully. Okay, so we have installed the Jupyter notebook via pip, and in step number 3 we have verified the Jupyter notebook installation. Now the last step is to write and run a Python program. Okay, via Jupyter notebook. How we can able to do it here? Okay, go back here. Now I want to run the Jupyter. Okay, so we have a command. When you open this Jupyter.org, we have a command called Jupyter notebook. So we need to run this command here to run the notebook. Okay, so go back here. Just type here. Just type Jupyter. Okay, installed here. Just a minute. So what I will do, I will type it here. Okay, Jupyter. So make sure that you are under the path that is the Python scripts. Okay, here we need to enter the command. It is a Jupyter notebook to run the Jupyter notebook here. Okay, so what command we are using here? Jupyter space notebook. Click on enter. So we have installed the Jupyter notebook. Now we are running the Jupyter notebook here. See, it says see, it provides the C. As you know, the Jupyter notebook will open in a local host tree here. Okay, see, it has provided the local host tree here. Okay. Now what I will do, first of all, I create the folder. First, I create a folder saying as Python demo. Just create Python demo. Okay. And just select here. No, just a minute. Okay. We have created the folder here. Under this Python demo folder, I want to create a new notebook here. Just say Python 3. Just select the Python 3. Okay. And it has opened it separately. And I want to rename this one. Just click on untitled. Just say as demo. I said demo 1. Okay. Just rename here. Okay. So we have created a IP wide NB file. Okay. Here I write a one small program here. So I want to print welcome APM guide users. Okay. Just press print quotation single say welcome APM guide users. This is my channel name here. Just I want to print this one. Okay. Just click on it. That's it. Simple, right? So what we have done? Okay, we are just want to save it. Just click on save. Okay. Now I want to see this folder and file in our local machine here. Where it is saved. See, we have created one folder here, right? So we have created one folder here, Python demo. Under this Python demo, we have this file here. Okay. So how we can able to see where exactly it is created here. So go back to folder. So just refresh here. You see Python underscore demo. This is the folder we have created, and we have created the demo one. Okay. And if you want to open this file, we can open with any IDE here. Okay. So this is the Jupyter source file. I can open this source file in any available IDE here. Okay. Just select this one, right click, say open with. I can open with Visual Studio. Say I open it with Visual Studio. Here also you can write the code. Okay, so I want to change it here. Okay, I can do some changes here and save. Users, I say users, and just say, how are you? Let's say, how are you? Okay, just save as click on save. Done. Close it here. Now if you want to run, you can run it here. Just say run. So you can run it here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's not saved. We need to save here. Okay. Anyhow. Okay. So go back here and just see. Click on here. Oh, it's opening here. So this is how we can able to install. Just a minute. Yeah. Here it is there. And just refresh. Yeah. See what are the changes we have done in the Visual Studio is reflected here. Okay, so whatever the files we are creating in the Jupyter notebook, we can edit in any available IDE. Okay, so how we can able available? So we have created a folder called Python demo. Under this one, we have created the file. Okay, and we have created the file here in the browser. Okay, and then we have saved it here and we can edit in any available IDE. Okay, so any changes we done in our IDE, you will reflect here automatically. So if you want to run it here, you can run it here. See, previously it was welcome APM guide users, and we have added this extra message in our Visual Studio IDE, and we have saved here. Automatically it came here, and just click on run. That's it. Okay, this is how we can able to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows without using Anaconda. See, we not use any Anaconda installation. Directly, we have installed the Jupyter notebook by using the pip. Okay. So this is, and we have followed simple steps here. No need to download the bulky Anaconda software here. Just by using the pip, we have installed the Jupyter notebook. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.